In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monday.com AI assistant in just 5 minutes. Monday.com is a powerful platform that can enhance your productivity, and with its AI assistant, you can streamline your tasks even further. Let's dive into the process step by step. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This website is where all the magic happens. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's easy to sign up. You can register using your email address, or if you prefer a quicker option, sign up using your Google account. This will grant you access to the platform for free, allowing you to explore and experiment with its many features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile image. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Administration. This section provides you with various options to manage your profile settings and account preferences effectively. We'll be focusing on a specific area today. Next, on the left-hand side of the administration panel, you'll see the Customization option. Click on it to proceed. This will bring up a host of personalization settings. As we aim to enable the AI features, locate and select features from this menu. Here, you'll need to scroll to the Enable or Disable AI Features section. It's important to make sure these features are toggled to On, so that you can enjoy the full range of AI capabilities that Monday.com offers. Now that we have enabled the necessary AI features, let me walk you through using them in a practical setting, specifically within Monday.com Workdocs. Begin by opening a workdoc on Monday.com. Workdocs are versatile tools that support collaboration and organization. Once your workdoc is open, look for the AI Assistant button, which might also appear as a Write with AI option. Select either. This feature allows you to leverage AI directly in your document creation process. To illustrate, you might want to ask the AI to give us 5 tips on how to declutter a space. After typing in your prompt, click the Generate button to see the AI's response. If you find the information useful, you can easily add it into your document by selecting Add to Doc. Additionally, if there's text within your workdoc that you want condensed, you can highlight it, click the AI Assistant button again, and select the Summarize option. This handy tool will condense your selected text into a more concise version, saving you time and effort in processing information. And that's it! You're now familiar with the basics of using Monday.com's AI assistant to optimize your workflow. With these steps, you can enhance your productivity and make task management a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.